never stops. This Burberry shit just came out today. Look how I rock. I should open toe sandals and Burberry socks. You can't put on what I'm trying to fit in.
What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. So, major opportunity. We are about to get richer. If you didn't get rich with us last year, the year before that, you didn't run it up, the time is now, man. I told y'all, class is back in session. We are about to start bringing, the actual official education back to the channel, because during bear market times, the best thing you can do is learn and become more educated, so that way you know what to do once the market flips and goes back into that bull market. And right now, we have some of the absolute most extreme discounts we've ever seen in crypto for a while. So this is the lowest prices have been since December 2020. If you've been following along on the channel, none of this should be a surprise to you, because I've been letting y'all know that we're moving back. Drop in the comment section if you remember when I said Bitcoin it looked like it was going back around 17,000. Drop in the comment section. If y'all been following along, y'all are definitely informed right now. So let's do a price update. We're gonna look at Shiba Inu a little bit, and then I'm gonna give y'all some information on my free class that I'm hosting today. If you're serious about learning what you're doing, I'm not talking about the ones that are just speculating, trying to get rich off a lottery play, throw something at something and just hope it blows up. If you really want to learn this market, you really want to learn what to do, then stay tuned through this video. So Bitcoin right now, $18,643, down 9.4%, 9.49%, almost 9.5% for the day. Ethereum down to $948 right now, down 13%. I seen it earlier down around $800 and something, y'all. This is absolutely ridiculous. Now this is the time. These prices are so low that we know we're nearing the bottom. Could something else happen, like something drastic to shake the markets down even further? Of course it can. But right now, we need not to be playing with this opportunity that we have in front of us. This is a chance to take some of the money that you have and make it equal a lot more money. Now, is this an overnight thing? No, it is not. This is money you should have and be able to leave for the long term. If you can't leave it 2-3 years plus, then don't look at this as, don't take, what I'm saying with this into account. But could you get a short-term, boost with us being so far down today? Yes, it's possible. But I warned y'all yesterday that the market, I told y'all, if y'all watch my midnight video, watch the video before this one, I told y'all once the markets woke up, we were going to see the entire markets pull back. How do I know this information? I'm not a fortune teller. I just know from what I learned. And I'm trying to share this information with y'all, so that way y'all can be better informed investors. This is y'all chance to get rich. This is not a game. This is not a fire drill. This is real deal right now. This is the time. You need to be putting everybody up on that you care about, informing them about what's happening with the market right now, so they get the opportunity to jump in this space and take advantage of some of these prices as well. We got BNB, a coin that I believe will one day be worth $5,000, under $200 right now. If you can hold this for 3 years plus, I definitely think you will be very happy that you bought in at these prices. Remember, Ethereum, we seen it go all the way to $4,800. We seen Bitcoin go all the way to about 64,000 or 68,000, somewhere around there. Like, these prices will return eventually once the markets pick up. We still have a lot of governments, policy makers, companies, all still building, adopting, and becoming more familiar with crypto. Less than 10% of the entire world is involved in crypto right now. So imagine once those numbers pick up to 10%, 20%, 30%. You're gonna be happy that you're in right now. It might seem bad right now because you see a lot of red in the chart, but this is the time you want to be in. I'm telling y'all, y'all are blessed. The ones that, missed the last bull run, and you were hearing about crypto. You might have seen a couple things, but you weren't too sure. If you're one of those people now, you are extremely blessed to be entering around this time. And now for those who bought the top during the last bull run, if you're one of the people that bought at the high prices, you're getting a chance at basically redemption, to basically bring your average cost down. Don't just wait for, if you bought Ethereum at $4,000 and you're in the hole right now. Now, of course, this should only be with money that you're willing to lose, and it should only be investment money. Now, crypto should only be a certain percentage of your entire portfolio. Now, I'll leave that all up to y'all. some people have 100% crypto portfolio. Some people say 5% max. Some people say 10% max. I'm a little more heavier in crypto, but you got to figure out what percentage of your entire portfolio do you want in crypto, real estate, stocks, bonds, commodities, any other, assets, investing in your own business, things like that, any type of asset that can generate income from you. You got to, think about that. And if you have one of these assets, especially one of these top, 20s that you were buying before this crash, right now is an even better opportunity to buy more of these, because you're going to make a lot more money, because the difference in the price, I just got a fun fact. The top 100 cryptocurrencies, over 90 of them, I believe, are down 90. Actually, let's grab this real quick. I believe 90 of them are down over 90%, which is absolutely crazy, y'all. If you think about that, that's how much money came out of the crypto markets. So eventually this money is going to have to flow back in. We might get a bailout next year, with the Fed stepping back in to pump some money back into the economy. And if that happens, we're going to see a lot of people jump back into crypto. Now let's take a look at some more prices. Doge down 8.6% at 5 cents. Solana down 6.6% at $29. XRP down 4% at 30 cents. Cardano down 8% at 44. Shiba Inu is very resilient right now. It's holding. It does not want to drop this 7 level, but we seen what happened before it added that 0 back. It was being real resilient at that level right there, because we got a lot of people that are willing to hold Shiba Inu. So the sell-off or the panic is not as grave as we see with some of these other tokens. Like, look at Shiba Inu right here on a 7-day percentage. It's down 19%. We could take a look at some of these other ones. Dogecoin down 26% in the last 7 days. Cardano down 19%. BNB down 27%. Ethereum down 38%. And Bitcoin down 35%. So for SHIB to be basically following Ethereum and only to be down 19% right now, when it could be down a total of almost 40%, what we see right here with Ethereum in the last week, that means SHIB is holding fairly strong. Could the price go back further? Yes, of course it can, and most likely will, once Bitcoin and these other assets continue to pull down further. And we are eventually, what I'm expecting to see, as we can see, the crypto market is under 800 billion right now, down 11%. But I'm expecting to see, once we find that bottom, I'm expecting the market to pin prices there for a while, and we trade sideways around that range to let us know that we kind of found that area of the bottom. So that's what I'm looking forward to. We have the the market pricing in the expectation of Jerome Powell, the Federal Reserve Chairman, to increase interest rates over the next meetings throughout the year by 75 basis points, which is 3/4 of a point, which he just did at this last meeting that just passed on Wednesday. So we were expecting him to raise it a 0.5 basis point, but they were a little more aggressive to try to fight inflation, so basically they're making borrowing money more expensive, so that way people are less likely to want to borrow money and spend it on just like frivolous things, like things that normally people wouldn't be really intending on spending money. So they're just trying to, get a grip on inflation, which, look at the prices of everything. Everything is going up. We just had a lot of money pumped into the market. So a lot of that money was just scraped off and is back into the hands of smart money. Think about it, that all that money came into the market. If you didn't take profits over this last year, you got shook down to the ground. Let me know in the comment section, were you one of the people that did not take any profits? If y'all been watching my channel, y'all can go through all my videos. I always say you should take some profit, at least a cherry off the top. That's my favorite saying right there. At least take a cherry off the top for yourself, because we never know what can happen. And I've been around the board a few times to see things like this play out. I was in the last bear market. So knowing from seeing that play out, I know when you get a chance to take profit, you need to take profit. Now let's take a look at some of the news we got. We got an update from Satoshi saying, I know the market conditions are tough, but it's amazing to see how SHIB Army Strong is so true. We are holding at 15 despite the insanity. Hail SHIB. There are things we would like to reveal, but at times aren't able to because of NDAs. And then lastly, things are moving quite well on all fronts, and over the next few weeks, you will begin to see the things we've been working on to come to fruition at. what looks to be when SHIB and the world needs it most. I can't wait to prove to the world what I already know, that SHIB is the most powerful token, community, ecosystem, and the brand the world has ever known. So, exciting, still some mystery in there. We would like to just get, those, like Ryoshi said, just, tell us what's up. But, you can't release everything, or else some people would, bad actors would try to imitate it, or, set traps, to try to scam people, fake links and things like that. So I understand, but I'm just ready for the news to roll out. I'm ready for it to hit. I'm ready for, no more real like announcements. Like, let's, what I'm saying? I'm ready for it. The actual meat and potatoes. So excited to see what this could be. Also, let's take a look at Watcher Guru, some updates over here. Just in, USDT market cap has dropped to 69 billion, the lowest since October 2021. Just in, Huobi Exchange will exit Thailand in July as its crypto license got revoked. Panama's president has partially vetoed the country's crypto bill, citing FATF regulations. Just in, crypto saving app Finblocks has limited its users' daily withdrawals. So we're seeing an absolute run on the market right now. This is, for us, we just sitting back in the cut, not panicking. We just waiting for our opportunity to take advantage of all these prices like this. I told y'all I was looking at buying a whole Bitcoin or possibly more around 17K, but the discounts are looking so good. It's looking like they want to push the price down further. And I am in no shape or form against them making Bitcoin cheaper for me to be able to purchase for my future. I have no problem with that. They could bring Bitcoin all the way down as low as they want to. I'm just going to end up buying more. So I'm very excited about this time period right here that we're in, because we were just stuck in the bull market. Everybody made the money that we were going to make. The market only can go up so far before it has to correct and have a healthy correction, or else, what they say, it takes the stairs up and the elevator down. So it can, tick up, slowly. But when it's time to crash, it falls straight down. It doesn't give anybody a chance. So that's why you want to make sure you get some of those profits off the table, man. So, now about our classes, we're going to get today into economic indicators. You definitely want to tap into this next video that I'm going to do. I might even do it as a live stream to be able to get some questions in the video. Drop in the comments ASAP if y'all want me to do it as a live stream. But I'm telling you, you do not want to miss this class that I'm putting on for y'all. And eventually, these classes will be free on the channel, but eventually I'll be moving them to the members only section. So you definitely want to tap in and get this information while you can. We got candlestick charting demystified. This book changed the game for me. Let me tell you. Also, this book here, Technical Analysis for Dummies. This book changed the game for me. I got rich after these books. I'm not capping, y'all. No lie. Economics for Dummies. We got blockchain for dummies. We got NFTs for dummies. Just trying to make some of this information a little easier for y'all to, consume by, instead of you having to go through it on your own, being able to walk you through it, break down some concepts, explain some things that, I picked up along the way as well. And just, for those that already know some of this information, a refresher for us to, just become even more sharper. You just want to drill this information, into you, so that way when it comes time to actually make these tough decisions, we know what to do and we can fall back on our textbook information. So hopefully y'all are interested in that. Those that are serious, if you ain't serious, don't even pull up to the live stream. This is for those that are 100% serious about learning and taking it to the next level. I have a course that I charge, a fair price for, to teach this information. So for y'all to be able to get it in the live stream, it's definitely worthwhile. So drop a like on the video. Let's see, someone transferred 57.9 million Ethereum and paid a fee of $1.9 or $1.90. The transaction fee, a ridiculous low percentage. No government, bank, or third party had to verify the transaction, nor could they have stopped it if they wanted to. Immutable launches a $500 million ecosystem fund to boost GameFi adoption. So right now we need to pay attention. A lot of big money, a lot of smart money, they're going to start developing right now. Hear me out. They're not scared. They're taking advantage of this time. They're sinking their seeds, their roots. They're planting them. They're making sure that they are a part of this space right now during this time, because when things turn around, the people who stay down for the come up during this phase are going to be extremely rewarded, for their patience. Now, Binance CEO says historically we see 4-year cycles, roughly 2-year bear and 2-year bull. That's what we basically just went through. 2-year bear market, kind of, then the 2-year bull market. So, you know, and you can give or take a little bit, but that's basically, you know, the cycle. So if this stretched out 2 years, would you be prepared to hold during that time? You know, and this is why it's important to learn what's up with these economic indicators and things like that, because we can learn to look at other indicators in the economy and determine when the market will begin to turn. This is information that you will not find anywhere else. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. So we'll wrap it up with this. Shiba Inu Twitter has officially passed 3.4 million followers. Absolutely. When y'all gonna understand what we doing? When we hit 4 or 5 million followers, that's when y'all gonna know Shib Army is ridiculous. You know what I'm saying? Y'all better connect the dots, man. This is not financial advice, more like financial education or entertainment, whatever you want to call it. But don't come crying to me. Meta enters partnership with 3 luxury brands. Come on now, y'all. They just partnered with a digital fashion marketplace with Balenciaga, Prada, and Tom Brown. I never heard of Tom Brown, but definitely Balenciaga and Prada got some of their stuff. But this is absolutely amazing, y'all. This is showing us that this space is going nowhere. Humans, once we experience a certain level of technology that makes life easier for us, we don't like to backtrack. We don't go backwards from that. So, you know, people aren't going to start giving up their stoves and going back to, you know, roasting over a campfire. Or, you know, once we got the technology, once we have washer and dryers, we never went backwards from that point. So keep that in mind. That's all we got for this video. If y'all are interested in getting one of my courses, reach out to me via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Make sure you hit the like button if you're just starting off your portfolios. I got some free resources in the description section of this video, stocks, crypto. Check it out. You know, you can get some free stocks, some free crypto. You could hold it, sell it, buy something else that you're interested in, you know, whatever. But it's down there for you. My book is on Amazon. The link to that is down there as well. And that's all we got for this video, man. Stay tuned. Make sure you turn on notifications so you can catch this live stream that we are about to do. Do not call yourself serious about this market, especially during this time, if you're not willing to get the education. That's all we got for this video, and we are out.